Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the GPS and ensuring it has a reliable power source. This avoids interruptions. Once done, enable location services so the receiver can acquire satellites quickly and connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data to download maps and traffic. Make sure to set language, time zone, and units because those settings affect distance and ETA calculations. While the device boots and downloads, open the destination input so you can enter the address or select a saved place immediately. You now enter the destination using the most precise option available, address, coordinates, or a contact entry, because precision prevents wrong turns. After input, pick a routing profile, fastest versus shortest, or avoid tolls and highways. Each choice changes the route logic. Preview the full route and turn list so you know critical junctions before you start. If the initial route looks poor, request alternate routes and inspect differences in time, distance, and road types. Confirm and start guidance when you're ready. You follow the voice prompts and the highlighted path, watching upcoming turn warnings so you can change lanes safely. If you miss a turn or go off-route, the device usually recalculates automatically. Make sure you allow a few seconds for a new route. If guidance stops because of poor satellite or data signal, move to an open sky view and wait, restart the unit if needed, or switch to pre-downloaded offline maps so you can continue without real-time data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.